Fresh coffee.
I got some of it.
Cool.
You're right, Mom. Just open that one in. There you go.
JG says, thanks for the snow, Santa. Nice touch. Man.
Septic.
Yeah. Hopefully it's too
Oh
bittersweet.
That's true. You can never have too many Christmas.
He wants me to quit using those sponges.
Well, that and also, I figured you could use those for